Hi guys, this is your girl Maddie, or Madison. Right now, I'm in my Minecraft survival world, not survival world, creative board survival. We're making epic builds over here, so yeah. Right now, I just finished building my house. Part of it's bedrock, and then we have this tiny little outdoor place that leads right into a cave. Me and my uncle made this off camera, but here, let me give you the tour of my house. Here are 2 beds, my wither flower, a brewing stand, and somewhere to cook. I have weird things in my inventory. I just noticed that. My uncle's recording right now, and he has a YouTube channel too. So, please subscribe to his YouTube channel. He is Storytime with Uncle Eddie. And he is my uncle. So here's my couch. So if you wanna know how to do this couch, I'll make a video on that. Anywho, jokes aside, that's not even a joke. Here, let me just change the time today. Don't leave, son. Sun stay forever and ever. Sun is right. So anyway, all jokes aside, we have this lush little bone meal place where we bone mealed it all, and this is me and my uncle's house in Minecraft. Yeah, I already showed you a tour of this, but this is all our nether stuff. All the nether stuff.
Show them the horses.
Ooh, yeah, horse stable. Great idea, Uncle Eddie. So here's our underground horse stable. If you wanna know how to make a doorbell, I'll also post a video on that. So you just ring it, and then that does the thing. So let's go into our little barn underground here. So right over here we have hoop and hoop. Guys! Always block the entrance! Oh gosh! Okay, just barely got out. And then here, I think is the slow one. Here's my other horse, the one in diamond armor. They're both in diamond armor, seriously. The white one in diamond armor is mine. Also, this one is also mine. Snow. Hi, Snow. She is really fast. And, really fast. I got some coarse dirt, some pathworks in there to make it look dirty. And right over here, you can see, water on top. That's pretty cool. Right over here, we have our sheep and a chicken. Oh, no, chickens! You want more chickens? Okay, here! All jokes aside, this is where the cows are. And then this is where the sheep are. I knew you just laid an egg! Oh, gosh. Okay, you want more chickens? Here. There's gonna be a chicken parade in here. Here. So this is my first episode, so I hope you guys really like this. I'm trying my best. I kind of think this is not great, but my uncle says it's really good. Now, if we head up here, I just want to ring this. Oh, that's so satisfying to do. Here's a melon. And then here's something I made. Don't mind this sticking out. I also made a doorbell for this. Ding ding. I have some lanterns in here. I have a bath. I have a sink. It's just a little sanitized room. Over here, we have like a pool. We have like a tiny pool that you won't sink in. That's really helpful. Here's a doorbell. Doorbell. Good to know. Alright. Then we have the portal to, well, the end in this game, but this is space.
Well, let's save that for the next episode.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Thanks for joining us on this quick tour of Madison's Minecraft build.
There is one more thing I want to show them.
Okay, go ahead and show.
Failed blaze farm.
We'll fix it.
Me and my uncle were trying to make a blaze farm in creative, but it didn't work. And then a creeper exploded, and then it was madness.
Yeah, but what do we learn in Minecraft?
You can always rebuild it.
All right, guys.
And here we have a bunch of random stuff from the left cave. And diamond, 16 redstone powder. Wow, this is really good stuff. Bye.
You sure do.
Subscribe.
Hit that like button. We'll see you next episode with story time with Uncle Eddie and Madison's Minecraft adventure.
This is not story time, Uncle Eddie.
Oh, man. We'll have to read a book. Okay, we got a Minecraft book, so we'll read it. Okay, bye.
Make sure to like and subscribe so I can post new videos every single day.